Did you know that cauliflower contains powerful compounds that may help fight cancer and support heart health? This humble vegetable is more than just a side dish. It's a nutrient-packed superfood that can transform your health. Stay tuned to learn how cauliflower can work wonders for you. Welcome back to Hello Vegan Eats TV. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a vegetable you probably already know but might not fully appreciate: cauliflower. Whether you're roasting it, turning it into rice, or making a creamy soup, cauliflower is one of the most versatile ingredients in the kitchen. But what's even more impressive is its health profile. From boosting your immunity to aiding weight loss, cauliflower is packed with unexpected perks. Let's dive into why this cruciferous vegetable should be on your plate more often. Here's the thing: chronic diseases like heart disease, obesity, and diabetes are on the rise, and our modern diets play a big role in this. Many of us rely on processed foods, neglecting nutrient-rich options that could help prevent these health issues. This is where cauliflower comes in. It's a low-calorie, high-nutrient vegetable that's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. But why isn't it getting the attention it deserves? Maybe it's time to change that narrative and embrace cauliflower for its incredible health benefits. Now let's get into the details of what makes cauliflower a superfood. Rich in nutrients, cauliflower is a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium, which are essential for overall health and immunity. High in antioxidants, it contains compounds like glucosinolates and isothiocyanates that can reduce inflammation and protect against certain types of cancer. Supports weight management. Low in calories but high in fiber, cauliflower keeps you full longer, making it a great choice for weight loss or maintenance. Aids digestion. The fiber in cauliflower promotes gut health by feeding the good bacteria in your digestive system. Versatile in cooking. From cauliflower rice to pizza crust, this vegetable can replace high-carb ingredients, making it a staple for low-carb and keto diets. With all these benefits, it's no wonder cauliflower is becoming a star ingredient in health-conscious kitchens. Let me share an inspiring story with you. A close friend of mine struggled with weight and high cholesterol for years. After incorporating cauliflower into her meals, like replacing white rice with cauliflower rice and adding it to her smoothies, she started seeing results. Her cholesterol levels dropped significantly, she felt more energetic, and she even lost 15 pounds over 6 months. This shows how small dietary changes, like including cauliflower, can make a big impact on your health. It's not just about eating less, it's about eating smarter. So, to recap, cauliflower is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber that can help with weight management, support digestion, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's easy to cook, budget-friendly, and versatile enough to fit into any diet. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to improve your health, cauliflower is the way to go. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite way to cook cauliflower? Comment below and share your recipes, we'd love to hear them. And don't forget to check out our video on other superfoods to add to your diet. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more healthy living tips. See you next time.